The Link Plus is central to any Lightwave system, and this is the gateway hub that allows for app and voice control of your Lightwave devices. You can pair hundreds of Lightwave devices to a single hub, and setup is very straightforward. Simply connect the Link Plus to your wireless broadband router and use the Lightwave app to control your devices from anywhere. Performance and reliability are assured through the Lightwave RF wireless protocol, which outperforms standard Wi-Fi and offers superior range with less interference. This means that a single Link Plus hub can easily cover a large property, and the wireless reception can easily stretch from the front of your driveway all the way to the back of your garden and up to your loft. In the odd scenario where range is being affected by obstacles, such as a large water tank, foil-backed walls, or thick concrete barriers, our recommended best practice is to situate the Link Plus as high up in the property as possible, which improves wireless performance. Automations are stored locally on the hub itself, which means if your internet goes down, your automations like timers, schedules, and two-way switching will still function. Remember, without the hub, our devices will still function as normal switches and sockets, but the Link Plus is required to allow smart control. If you'd like to learn more about how to integrate your Lightwave system with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit, please visit the help and support section of our website or give our technical support team a call and we'll be more than happy to help.